Hello, my lovely students. Hope you all are doing good at home.
I, Tanu Kalra, welcome you all to Sim Summer Hobby Classes.
Students, as you all know that from today we have started Learn with Fun classes. And I hope you all will enjoy these fun classes. So in today's class, we are going to do a very simple experiment with common things which you will get at home. This experiment is based on soluble and insoluble substances. So are you all ready for it? Yes? Okay, let's get started. First, we will see what are soluble and insoluble substances. So students, have you ever seen that some things that we mix with water disappeared while some things do not? क्या आपने कभी नोटिस किया है कि कुछ चीज़ें जब हम पानी में डालते हैं तो वो गायब हो जाती हैं, जबकि कुछ चीज़ें पानी में डालने से गायब नहीं होती? सो डू यू नो वाई इट हैपन्स? क्या आपको पता है कि ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because the things which disappear get dissolved into the water and that do not disappear remain visible. ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ें पानी में डालने पर घुल जाती हैं और हमें दिखाई नहीं देती, जबकि कुछ चीज़ें पानी में डालने पर डिज़ोल्व नहीं होती, घुलती नहीं हैं और वो हमें दिखाई देती हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वो चीज़ें जो वाटर में डालने पर डिज़ोल्व हो जाती हैं और हमें दिखाई नहीं देती, उन्हें सॉल्यूबल सब्सटेंसेस कहते हैं, जबकि वो चीज़ें जो वाटर में डिज़ोल्व नहीं होती और हमें दिखाई देती हैं, उन्हें इनसॉल्यूबल सब्सटेंसेस कहते हैं. So we can say that substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances, while substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. Now we will learn the concept of soluble and insoluble by an experiment.
For this experiment, we need 4 glasses of water, some ingredients like salt, pepper, sugar and seeds. Now I am taking the salt and gonna mix it into the water. Let's stir it about 1 minute. Now take pepper and mix it into the water. Stir it about 1 minute. Now take sugar and mix it into the water. Stir it about 1 minute. Now we have coriander seeds. Take few coriander seeds and again mix these seeds into the water. Stir it about 1 minute. Now let's check the results, whether these things dissolve or not. Let's check the salt. Can you see the salt? No, because it has dissolved in water. Now let's check pepper. Can you see the pepper? Yes, because it didn't dissolve in water. Next we have sugar. Are you able to see the sugar? No, because it has completely dissolved in water. Lastly we have seeds. Are you able to see the seeds? Yes, because it did not dissolve in water.
So now we have come to the conclusion that salt and water are called soluble substances as they dissolved in water, whereas pepper and seeds are insoluble substances as they did not dissolve in water. So by this way we have learned that all the substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances, whereas all the substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances. So students, this is really easy experiment. You can do it by your own. So hurry up kids, do this experiment, make video while doing this and send on my number. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.